Over the last few months, I have been building a few custom indicators for my own trading. I decided to share some of them, in case other traders find them useful as well. This first indicator is basically my price action framework. It brings together the tools I use every day, while keeping the chart clean and easy to read. It shows bar numbers. They don't mean anything by themselves, but they are very useful for logging trades. It includes a 20-period exponential moving average. It also displays a 60-minute exponential moving average, so you always have a higher time frame reference on your chart. And it includes the average daily range and the average bar range to help measure how much the market has already moved. There is also an option to name your chart, which is useful if you are working with multiple tabs, so you always know exactly what you are looking at. Now that you've seen what the indicator does on the chart, let's open up the settings and go through how you can customize everything. Starting with the exponential moving average, you can turn it on or off and adjust the period to match your strategy. There is also an option to color code it so you can quickly see bullish or bearish strength. You can customize the line width, style, and colors as well. Next is the 60-minute exponential moving average. This can also be turned on or off, and you can adjust how it looks on the chart. This gives you a clear, higher time frame reference without switching charts. Now for the bar numbers. You can enable or disable them completely. You can choose how often the numbers appear, for example, every 5 bars, to keep the chart cleaner. There are options to always show important reference bars, such as bar 18 or hourly markers, even if they are outside your normal display interval. You can choose whether the numbers appear above or below the bars, and adjust the spacing so they sit exactly where you want them. There is also a look-back setting, which controls how many days of bar numbers are shown. Reducing this can improve performance and make the chart load faster. You can also customize font size, font type, and colors. Next is the average daily range and average bar range section. You can turn these on or off depending on your preference. You can adjust the calculation period and choose whether to display both or only one of them. You can also control where the information appears on the chart, such as the top left or top right corner, and adjust the offset and spacing from the edges. Font and size can also be customized here. Finally, the chart name. You can enable this and give each chart a custom name. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple tabs, so you always know exactly what you're looking at. You can also adjust the font and size for this label. That's a quick walkthrough of the indicator and how it works. The idea is simple. It brings the tools I actually use together in one place, while still keeping the chart clean. The indicator is completely free, and you can download it from my website. If you find it useful, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be sharing more tools and trading content going forward. And if you want to support the channel, a like on the video really helps. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you run into any issues or if you have suggestions for improvements.